let's go ahead and instant replay that, except I'm adding in a few other jumpers so that you can see that everyone else pretty much jumped with ease, having no difficulties jumping whatsoever. I, on the other hand, really struggled with this, but I love watching this clip back because it shows that I had the strength to do it even though I was scared. And I love how everybody was encouraging and cheering me on, even though I was crying and being a super emotional wreck. I definitely have a huge fear of heights, but that's pretty granted considering I broke my back and both my feet in a rock climbing accident where I fell off the side of a mountain. So to say that I'm afraid of heights is definitely a little bit of an understatement, but I am so proud of the fact that I jumped here. And although it did take me a long time, I'm so grateful that I did this and that it was caught on camera by the guides at the Damajagua Waterfalls. As you can see, it did take me a couple of tries. I definitely got a little too scared, had to back out, cry a little bit, but then I took another attempt, and this was the one where I was successful. I took my time. I held on to Brandon for dear life until I felt comfortable jumping, but I am so glad that I did this, and once again, I just love how everybody cheered for me. I think that this is such a powerful video, and I'm so glad that they caught it. Here I go, conquering my fears. This here is a testament to all of you out there that are letting your fear control you. Don't let your fear get in the way of trying new things and experiencing different places around the world. You won't regret it. Now, normally I would make this a lot longer of a video and include some other footage. However, our GoPro case unfortunately broke on us and we didn't want to risk losing our GoPro altogether by filming. So this is going to be it for this video. We appreciate you guys watching. I will end this video on one last final note, and that is that the guides here at the Damajagua Waterfalls are amazing. We highly recommend coming here. I'm going to finish it off with one last little clip of them calling us their family, which we absolutely loved and we couldn't get enough of. So, thank you all for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.
Eso, sexy family, you can do it. Eso. Arriba, arriba. Eso.